Here are 3 things that I wish someone had told me before I ever stepped into the gym, because it would have saved me a lot of frustration, a lot of time in terms of getting those specific gains and understanding the entire process of fitness. What's going on, guys? Welcome to another video. Those who are new here, I would like to officially welcome you all, and let me quickly go ahead and introduce myself for about 10 seconds. So my name is Yakshant. I have a 9 to 5 job and I'm trying to balance my work life and my personal life. And in my personal life, I love to do a workout. I love to film myself on this YouTube. I love to also provide value to you guys, and I'm really loving the process, loving the way you guys are actually subscribing to the YouTube channel, which is again something really, very, really motivational. People are actually following you specifically for your talent, or maybe something that you actually do online. Before we get into the first tip of the day or first tip of the video, let's get to the gym and get our workout in. Let's get into the first tip that I believe that if someone would have told me before I stepped into the gym, would have been made my life much easier in terms of fitness, is nutrition. You can outwork a bad diet. So let me give you a few pointers that you need to take care of in terms of nutrition. First thing is have enough amount of protein, and the way I like to calculate is at least know your body weight in terms of kilograms and then multiply by 2. That's how much protein you need to have on daily basis in order to maintain the muscle mass and keep gaining muscle. Second tip would be that don't drastically change the entire caloric intake. For example, one day you're eating like 1500 calories and the next day you're actually going ahead and eating about 2600 calories. Your body won't be used to that, and you won't be able to digest the entire amount of food that you're putting in. So it's going to be a waste. So make sure to avoid that. Increase the caloric intake by 200 and 300 calories. That would be another way. Third tip, at least have a basic understanding of the macros that in the foods that you're actually eating on daily basis, so that you won't be able to keep guessing, because the game is not about guessing, it's about understanding the exact macros that you'll be taking in, and then also calculating the protein intake as well. And the fourth tip, that is the last tip for this one, is don't sweat too much on the fast foods. For example, any bad foods or processed foods. It's totally fine that you have it once a week or twice a week. That would take you guys totally fine. However, just get back on the rest of the 5 days in the week on your regular diet. That's going to help you keep on the same track and be consistent with your goal.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, with that we are done with today's workout. So basically we hit triceps today. Again, I didn't actually believe myself that I would be able to get the tricep workout in after the monkey bar workout or the warm-up. I actually thought of doing that in terms of a warm-up. However, it was pretty freaking intense, and after that monkey bar workout, my biceps were like actually ready to burn out and burst. The handstand push-ups and handstand walking was actually really freaking tiring. So I was able to get my shoulders entirely pumped up, my biceps entirely pumped up with the monkey bars and the swinging thing. And yeah guys, so my triceps were the only muscle that I wasn't able to hit today, so that's why I went ahead and did weight training for the triceps. So yeah guys, let's get back home. Alright guys, with that we are done with the workout, and as you guys already know, because we have talked about this at the gym, I have no idea why this bag seems pretty heavy, and I have no idea how many stones do I have in there. Okay, so first things first, I gotta go ahead and take a shower. I have to cook food for myself. I have to wake up at 1:30 a.m. at night as well, technically the next day for work as well, because I haven't actually slept the entire night last night because I was at work. And today, after coming back, I went ahead to the gym and shot this video. So yeah, so before we get into tip number 2 guys, I wanted to show you this entire thing. Look at this hand, look at these calluses and the entire hand turning into red. Look at these calluses. I really have a really bad habit of peeling this off, which is again really bad. So I believe you should go ahead and drink enough water if you're getting more cramps, and if you're getting such things, because water is a really good healing thing. I don't know, that's what I heard from somewhere. Don't believe everything that you hear guys. Let's quickly get to tip number 2. That would be workout. Guys, stick to basics. be consistent enough with the basics, and you'll be able to go a long way. So this is something that I wish someone had told me before I stepped into the gym, and I was fuck, excuse this guys, I'm really freaking off. You should focus on the basics, and you should start with learning the squats, deadlifts, and then going ahead and doing push-ups, pull-ups, the entire form. You should be able to understand how the form works in each and every exercise of that and each variation. And you also need to focus on progressive overload, guys. You can definitely go ahead and use those fancy machines. It'll be a really good isolation movement, but when you're just starting out at the gym, you'll need to make sure that you focus on compound movement, because you want to be able to build the entire frame of your body. So you'll be able to understand how big your frame is, and according to that, you'll be able to understand which exercise you need to focus more on in terms of getting that muscle larger, and focus on the diet again, bringing back to the first tip. So yeah, stick to the basics, stick to the form, make sure you understand the form entirely, and then focus on progressive overload, and also focus on full range of motion. That's it for tip number 2, guys. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take a shower, cook some food, and then we'll meet again for tip number 3.
2,000 years later.
Alright guys, I'm done taking the shower, and I'm pretty hopped up. I don't know why, but who gives a shit. So I was supposed to enjoy my freaking shower, as since it's a sunny day, the water did not come out to be that cold, so I had to manage with the same. And I had some time on my schedule, so I went ahead and did some grooming. I was able to get off the nasty hair off my body, and I actually cut myself right here. I don't know how to actually treat it, so I'm just gonna leave it the way it is. Who gives a fuck? Okay, let's move to tip number 3. That is mindset. So don't judge yourself within just the first 2 months, guys. At least make sure for the first 2 months, be consistent. Don't focus that much on your visual gains or physical changes, because you won't be able to see that much in the first 2 months. However, I want you guys to give yourself at least 3 to 6 months. Only then you should be able to start judging by your physical appearance that you have definitely started gaining some muscle, or maybe gaining that specific definition that you're actually trying to achieve. That's all I ask you guys. Only then you'll be able to understand your full potential. And again, just don't judge yourself, guys. The first 2 months is basically just for your body to get used to doing these physical hard work, and only then on the 3rd month you should be able to see actual physical changes in your body, and then you'll also be able to see, or maybe feel different vibes in terms of energy. Your energy levels will be spiked really high. I went to the gym after 2 days, and my energy is really way off the rooftop. So I would say you should go ahead and start going to the gym regularly. Even till this day, I'm trying my best to go to the gym, show up regularly. I'm pretty satisfied with the physique that I have right now. However, I still understand that I need to gain a lot of mass, which I am working towards. So yeah guys, those are the top 3 tips or things that I wished someone had told me before I ever stepped into the gym, because it would have made my life much easier, and I would have been able to avoid all the frustration of years of the hard work, or maybe months of hard work. So same thing applies to you guys. These tips will definitely help you guys when you get into the gym, and just make sure you focus on these 3 things. First thing is nutrition, second is workout, the third is your mindset. And with that guys, we are done with this video. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a like. Comment down below what was the favorite part of this video for you guys, and also comment down below what are the videos you guys would like me to make, so that I can get content ideas for you guys, because I post videos every Monday and every Thursday, and you don't want to miss them. People who are new here, go ahead, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to get notified every time I post a new video. And with that, peace out for this video guys.